go.
Hey. This is my bicycles.
Yeah, it is.
Got the pedals. They're plastic. Pretty good. Got a greenback wheel here. Not sure what it is, but yeah, looks pretty good, I guess. Got some red bars. The sticker on them. Saves weight, but you don't need to know about that. This purple stem, it reminds me of my grandmother's. Has a holes right there. Got the Shadow Rant. Zane doesn't have it, so I feel pretty cool about that. On a Sun Envy rim, you know. RC Vermont chain wheel, and these are some Eastern stock cranks. Pretty good. And chain, seat. That's pretty much it. That's my bicycles.
Looks good.